Hey lash lovers, it's Sarah here at Glad Girl, and today I'm going to be giving you a DIY on how to use our brand new Minute Lashes. Come on in. So the reason I love these Minute Lashes is they're a hybrid between flare lashes and strip lashes. Let's dive in. Here's what you're gonna need. In the Minute Lashes, we have two options. We have Natural Beauty and Glamorous Goddess. And I brought along two glue options. We have the traditional lash lock and then the latex-free lash lock. Today I'm gonna use their traditional glue with our glamorous lashes, and go ahead and grab your favorite tweezers. So in each tray of Minute Lashes, you have 4 different sections for each eye. And what's really great is you can create custom looks using the different sections, and it's super easy. You just pop them right out. So I've loosened the lashes I want to use from the tray, and I'm going to go ahead and take the lash lock. And you want to put on really minimal amount of glue, like less is more. Just a tiny little snip, and then blend it all the way along the edge. Then I like to place it on the back of my hand, because with all false lashes, the most important thing is to hold it at an angle that you want to put it on your eye at. So that's why I placed it on my hand to mount it on that tweezer at the exact angle I want to place it. Just set it down. So now that I got the first section on for my eye, I'm just going to use 2 more sections. Let's go ahead and put them on. Voila. So that's why we're calling them the Minute Lashes, because it's super easy and quick. Let's go ahead and do the other eye. You also have the option to place these lashes under the lash line. It's just whatever you prefer. So that's the finished look. What I love about these lashes is they're so easy to use. Let me know what you think of them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.